Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share your Telegram link. So first of all, you need to go to the Telegram and here open your profile, clicking on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. So as we opened our profile, we need to click on the edit button in the top right corner to edit our profile. Now scroll down until you will find username right here and click on it. Now you will have here your username, and just below your username you will have the caption called "This link opens a chat with you." So simply here is the link, and if you click on this link you can share this link to someone else, or just simply copy link by clicking copy link button right here. And now we copied our Telegram link. The next way of how you can share your Telegram profile, you can just simply go to the profile as well right here and click on little QR code sign in the top left corner. Now we'll have our QR code. We can customize it, sliding the slider in the bottom side of the screen, and then click on share QR code. It will also allow us to send the QR code to someone else, or just simply go and copy it to our device. And basically that is it. That is how we can share our Telegram link. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.